So what I'd like to do now is give you a tour of using styles with typical elements within a PowerPoint presentation. So let's jump to a slide that has a variety of elements. You know what? Let's go ahead and use this one. We've got an image here and some text. I can select an image, and if I open up the Format ribbon, you'll find that there's a section for styles. Now I can select and preview these by mousing over, seeing the various styles as they affect. And once again, to reiterate, if you work with these styles and you decide to go back and change the color theme for the template that you're using, if you're working with styles, these will be affected as well. You'll see this later when we revisit or we talk about tables. If I style a table with a proper style, when I change my theme, it'll be affected as well. So keep in mind, working with styles and using them for a consistent look across your various items is going to help you in the long run and save you a lot of time. So I've selected an interesting style here. I'd also like to point out, while we're on an image, that say you get handed in a slide deck with a bunch of styles applied to things and maybe somebody's gone overboard and used a bunch of inconsistent stuff and you don't want to spend all your time having to reverse what they do. Use your reset picture, get it back to its original format. So you can see what I had actually done is changed this image to being grayscale to match with the slide. We actually got it back to what it originally was. Similarly, if I'm working with fonts, I can also clear formatting on fonts. This would be on the Home ribbon, and there's a clear all formatting option. This will get you back to a state in which you can globally format things using consistent application of styles and then have them affected by your themes. Now I mentioned styles apply to most objects within PowerPoint. We showed an image. Fonts also have styles. Those are something called word art. We'll talk about those later. Let's take a look at the video we added in before. You'll find that I can format it as well, and there are styles that apply to it as well. Basically setting it inside of a frame. So I'd like to give you a chance to try that now.